Fence got damaged after a storm? Gate won't close? Pets escaping through a hole? Don't worry, here are simple temporary fence repairs you can do to keep things safe until the pros arrive. The fence is leaning or swaying, usually due to loose or rotted posts. Use wooden stakes and rope to brace the post upright. Hammer a stake into the ground next to the leaning post. Push the post back into place and tie it securely with rope or zip ties. For better support, place stakes on both sides and create a triangle brace. If the ground is too soft, use bricks or heavy objects to weigh down the base. Pets or kids can escape through a hole in a wooden panel, or privacy is compromised. Find a flat, rigid object, like a plywood sheet, an old cabinet door, or even a large piece of cardboard wrapped in plastic. Line it up with the hole and screw or nail it to the fence rails or nearby posts to block the opening. Make sure it's secure and won't blow off in the wind. A tear in the chain link mesh leaves the yard exposed or unsafe. Use galvanized wire, coat hangers, or heavy-duty zip ties to twist the torn edges of the chain link back together. Start at the bottom and work upward, tightening every few inches. Cut away any sharp or rusty bits before you start. If the hole is large, you can patch it with wire mesh, an old grill grate, or even chicken wire temporarily secured with zip ties. The gate drags on the ground, won't stay closed, or is totally unsecured. Tie the gate to the nearest post using rope, a bungee cord, or a bike lock to keep it shut. If it's sagging, place a paver or brick underneath it to lift the gate and relieve pressure on the hinges. Tighten any loose screws you can access with a hand screwdriver. If the latch is broken, create a temporary one using wire or a carabiner clip. Here's a quick list of common household items that can help you fix a fence temporarily. These are all temporary solutions to keep your yard safe and secure, but they're not permanent. As soon as possible, call a fence professional to properly repair or replace damaged sections and ensure everything is structurally sound. If your fence needs fixing, we're here to help. Call us at 781-767-3596 or visit caonfenceinc.com to learn more.